What's the meaning of assailant? Assailant. Assailant.
Assailant. Assailant. Assailant refers to a person who carries out a violent attack or assault on someone else. The term is often used in the context of crime and refers to someone who initiates an attack on another person with the intent to cause harm or injury. The actions of an assailant can have serious consequences for their victim, including physical and emotional trauma, and can sometimes result in death. It is important to always be aware of your surroundings and take precautions to protect yourself from potential assailants, especially in high-risk areas or situations.